Alright, so today we're going to make two different recipes. We are going to do a strawberry lemon and then a cucumber mint. And we just want to go over some tips first. So first, make sure all of your fruits and herbs are going to be washed prior to putting them in your infused water. You want to be sure that you have time to refrigerate for about 4 hours or overnight. And then if you use your infused water within the first day, you can always refill it with water to reuse those herbs and fruits to get the most bang for your buck. And ideally, we'd like to use our infused water within 3 days of making it. We're also going to use the term muddled during this demonstration. So that just means to crush the herbs to release their flavors. All right, so we're going to start with cucumber mint. For this recipe, like I said, you just need your medium-sized pitcher. We're going to use a smaller one today. You need 1 cucumber and then 8 fresh mint leaves. So our fruit, our cucumber and our mint have been already washed. So we're going to go ahead and finish slicing our cucumber. You're going to want to leave the peel on and slice them thinly. All right, and then for our mint, like we talked about, we're going to muddle the mint, which simply just means to crush to release its flavors. You can do this in a small cup. You can do it in between your fingers. You can just use the end of a spatula, a fork, anything safe. So we're just going to simply crush them. All right. And then we're going to add everything to our pitcher. Once our ingredients are in the pitcher, then we're going to just pour water till we fill the pitcher up. All right, so this is what our finished product looks like. We're going to pop this in the fridge and we're going to move on to our strawberry lemon water. All right, so we're going to get started on our next recipe, and that's going to be strawberry lemon. So we're going to use 15 strawberries and we're going to use 1 lemon. So let's get started. For our strawberries, we're going to cut the tops off first and slice these thinly. All right, we can go ahead and add these to our pitcher. All right, and then for our lemon, we are going to slice our lemon as well, and we're going to slice it thinly, and we're going to leave the peel on. And I'm just going to cut these in half just because of the pitcher size that we are using. All right, and then we're going to just fill with water. All right, so we're going to go ahead and pop these in the fridge, and we'll be back to taste test them in just a few minutes. Welcome back, guys. So we went ahead and grabbed our infused waters out of the fridge since they've been sitting. I've poured a couple samples here, and I can tell you they are delicious. And we just want to say a special thank you to the Friends of Lynchburg Community Market for providing us with the ingredients for our food demos for year 4. See you later.
We got the